So as I have told you, you have now the possibility to order already a figurine or also a digital product later, an avatar, just before the scan was processed in a 3D model. So I'll show this here with this record here, with the scan. So you go to this shopping cart tab. You can select the size you want to have. You just add it to the cart. It will show here the information. Here you see that the information is not completed. So for example, here we don't have a complete customer address, but anyhow, you can order this. You can define unique scale that all figurines within this order should have the same scale. So if you scan a family with three different scans, we take care that all of them have the same scales, the same ratio. And you can specify here that the order is already paid. We don't support paying in the app up to now. For this, you can still use the Shopify order app or shopping app with point of sale application or the online shop, which is still available, but only only with Shopify in combination. Here you can select the pickup or the shipping. Let's select domestic normal, and now I can order this. Well, there is a bug, it's not fully tested. Okay, with ordering, we are adding this order to the cleaning orders. So in the background, now the order will be processed. The scan will be processed first, and then the raw model will be uploaded to Dropbox, and as soon as it's available on Dropbox, we start to clean and fulfill. So here you can change the scan settings. After you did the scan, here you see a list of orders, so you can click on this order and see what was ordered before and in which status the orders are. And here we have just the log, so to see how long the processing took and things like this. Okay, that's it.